how to wire a car relay. This is a typical automotive 12-volt relay. It has spade-style connecting pins on the bottom. Usually it will have the wiring schematic molded into the side. The pins that are referenced in this diagram are also molded on the bottoms next to the corresponding pins. The first thing you need to worry about is your power into the relay, and that goes to pin 30, which is the pin that sits by itself over here, and we will hook up our power to that pin. Then we want to connect our the item that we're going to be switching with the relay, whether that be fog lights or a stereo system or anything of that nature. And that gets connected to pin 87. In this case, this relay has two pin 87, so you could actually hook a light up to either one. On occasion, a relay will have an 87A, which is connected to the power in when the relay is off, and the 87 is connected to the power in when the relay is on. So that's something to keep in mind. Lastly, we need to connect our ground, which will go to pin 86, and the source from our switch, which is a low current 12-volt source, and that goes to pin 85 like so. And so when you turn this switch on, it will close the relay, allowing the power to flow from pin 30 to pin 87 and turn on whatever you have connected to it.